is our national flag, right?
Yeah.
So it had two color, the red and the yellow.
Okay.
Right.
Guys, by the way, let me show it to you how the money looks like here. So this is the 500,000 bill. Okay, I've got 5 of them because yeah, I asked for 2,500,000. How cool is it, right? Wow, I'm actually millionaire here. So 1 hour later, I'm now here in old quarter of Hanoi City. So that's a bus that I took from the airport. Amazing bus. Good morning from Hanoi, Vietnam. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, I'm here in Hanoi's Noi Bai International Airport, which is actually the second largest and the second busiest airport in the whole Vietnam, next to Ho Chi Minh. Ho Chi Minh is actually in the south part of Vietnam, and we are here in the north, in the capital city of Hanoi. So yeah, a new adventure, and in fact this is my first travel for this year. I'm kind of excited to do this, and our first international travel also for this year. So let's hit the road, baby. So again, I'm here in the Noi Bai International Airport. So first thing that I'm going to do is I'll get my network service. I already purchased my SIM card, and what I'm going to do is I'll just claim this. According to the instructions, I have to go to A2. I saw somewhere that it says A2 is right here. Going there, that's where I can find the booth to claim my SIM card. And by the way, I purchased my SIM card as usual via Klook application. It only cost me like $6 American. So that's what I'm going to do to claim the SIM card. Let's go up there. So I just took the elevator to go to the second floor to go to the tourism booth where I can get the SIM card. So let me just oh, okay. I was thinking that, you know, I'm supposed to show you the interior of Noi Bai Airport, but anyhow, okay. So let's now go to this booth. So it says here, I found it, Vietnam Tourism SIM card. All right, let's go get the SIM card. I don't know if there's staff here. Anyhow, let's wait. Hi, good morning. The staff is actually configuring my phone. And all right, so as a welcome here, I want to say welcome to Vietnam. Here with this beautiful Vietnamese flag. Very colorful Vietnam flag. Okay.
So it's our national flag, right?
Yeah.
So it had two color, the red and the yellow.
Okay.
Right. It's significant for the blood of our grandfather, our ancient, to pay in the war with the French, with the Japanese, and the US. And the last one we fight with the China. They invaded. So the yellow star with fire like this, the significant for 5 level of the people. For example, the farmer, the worker, the I don't know how to say.
So 5 groups of people, of Vietnam, huh?
Yeah,
the star, that's the symbol of Vietnam, the star of in the flag.
Yeah.
So yeah, the gentleman has just explained to me the meaning of the Vietnamese flag. That was actually a random one. I didn't expect that actually. That's so good for him to do that. Okay. I'm showing you my phone, and I got service already, so that means that I'm connected now here. So yeah, the gentleman has just installed a SIM card, the Vietnamese SIM card here on my phone, so I can, you know, be connected here during my entire stay here in Vietnam. All right, so network service is done. Now next is where to get the money, the cash. Of course, let's find an ATM machine and let's go get some money. All right. Okay, I'm now back on the ground level, and I can see the ATM machines, the ATM booth right in front of me from afar, like there. So that's how I'll get my money. And here lots of money exchange, foreign exchange here actually. Some cafes, yeah, over there also food shops. Okay, so right here in A2 part of the Hanoi International Airport. Let's go get some money. I have the Forex app here right in front of me, right here on my phone. So let's say, for example, if I'm going to withdraw some money, around 6,000 Philippine peso, so that's around $107. Yes, guys. I'm only be here for like 3 days. Well, 3 nights, 4 days, by the way. So yeah, 6,000 pesos or $107 is actually enough for me. So the equivalent to that is around 2,600,000 Vietnamese dong. The currency here is called dong. So yeah, again, for $107 or 6,000 pesos, that's equivalent to around 2,600,000 Vietnamese dong. That's what I'm going to get here. Let's do this. All right, here's my money. Wow, only this. All right, so I've got my money already. So I just round it down, and I withdraw around 2,500,000. I think that's enough already. Anyway, it's fine. If I'm running out of cash, I'll just withdraw somewhere else in the city. Okay, so again, guys, by the way, let me show it to you how the money looks like here. So this is the 500,000 bill. Okay, I've got 5 of them because yeah, I asked for 2,500,000. How cool is it, right? Wow, I'm actually millionaire here. 2,500,000. All right. Okay, so money is done, internet is done. Now let's go to the city, and for that we need to, of course, have the transportation here. What I would do is I'll go take the bus, the public bus here. It's called, per my readings, it's actually number 86. So that's what I'm going to find out here. Where is it located here? And it's pretty sure it's just around here because the airport is quite small, so which is cool, which is good. All right, I'll just hide my money here, and then now let's go out from this building, and then let's go find that bus. Look at these colorful flowers here. Pretty amazing flowers. Do they smell good? Yeah. Did. Anyhow, okay. Well, I haven't slept yet because time right now it's 9 in the morning, and you know, when after I finished work from home in Manila, Philippines, around 12 midnight, I packed my things and then I went straight to the airport in Manila airport, and now I'm here, and I haven't slept yet, but it's fine. Okay, so recap: we are here in Hanoi's international airport. And I already got my SIM card, I have got my cash, my money, and now what I'm going to do is, as I've said a while ago, we have to find a bus, all right, that will bring me to the city. I want to take that. I want to try the local bus. I want to do the local experience here. And in fact, there are other options here to get to the city or to any other parts of northern Vietnam from the airport. You can take of course, the taxi. So as you can see here, the taxi sign is pointing to that way. Yeah, those are actually the lineup of the taxis. As well as you can book Grab. Okay, here in Southeast Asia, it's actually Grab application, you know, where you can book and hire the car or the vehicle. In the other parts of the world, it's called Uber, but here in Southeast Asia, it's Grab. Okay, yeah, you can also do that, but again, I want to do bus. All right, so let's find that bus, and again, it's called bus number 86. Let's find out. By the way, I'm kind of, you know, I'm not really worried, but because my bill here, the smallest bill I have is 500,000 dong, and the fare, the bus fare is only like 45,000. So I don't know if the bus driver will give me exact change. Not sure about it, but anyhow. All right, I think I see the bus from here. It's right there. So basically, to find the bus, you just need to, you know, after you left the airport building, just go to your left, right here, and there you'll find the bay for the bus. That one, 86, I think that's it. Yes, I'm pretty sure that's the bus. Their airport actually is pretty cute. It's clean, and it's actually chilly right now because it's winter here. Jet. There you have it, the bus 86. Yes, the bus 86. Let's go get into this bus. Old quarter?
Old quarter.
How much?
45,000.
45,000. You have change for 500,000? Okay. Okay, thank you. Right, so the fare is like 45,000 Vietnamese dong. So let's do this here. Okay, I'm settled now here inside the bus. Look, only a few passengers so far, but I don't know how long we're gonna wait here. But it's fine, it's okay. We are not in a rush anyway. It's still too early, and also the hotel won't let us check in till 12 noon. Yeah. But anyhow, so I'm here now in the bus, and the travel time from here to the city center is roughly around 1 hour. 45 minutes to 1 hour, and yeah, my stop will be at the old quarter. It's called Old Quarter. That's the centermost, okay, the famous centermost of Hanoi city. So that's where we're going to go now. Old Quarter. That's actually where my accommodation is located. So yeah. How much? 45, okay. So yeah, it's 45,000. There you go. And some passengers are actually waiting to hop on. I'm waiting for my change. Come on. Okay, I've got my change now. 455,000 dong. Okay, I know now how to, you know, count the Vietnamese money. Pretty amazing. Off we go now to the city. So 1 hour later, I'm now here in Old Quarter of Hanoi City. So that's a bus that I took from the airport. Amazing bus. Okay, wow, welcome to chaotic Hanoi. I don't know if you can hear me. Okay, so here, let me just give you a quick glimpse of one of the busy streets here in Hanoi. All right, so by the way, this one right here, this is actually the Old Quarter. That's the section that we're part of the Hanoi where we're going to, where my accommodation is, where the busy actions, you know, tourist actions are actually located. This part, this actually big block right here, it's called Old Quarter. So yeah, I'm now heading towards my accommodation. It's called Hanoi Fantasy Hotel. So let's find out one. Let's go. Okay, look. All right, let's go. Lots of busy actions here actually going on, the day-to-day lives of people. People are actually eating. Time right now, it's 10 in the morning, and we are now entering officially the Old Quarter. And look at this facade of this fortress. You know, I mean the gate. Pretty amazing structure. All right, let's get in. Oh my goodness, it's so busy right here. Wow. Oh my god. So I think this is the beer street. I don't know. Anyhow, I'm actually passing through here in this busy market. Lots of vegetables, of seafood. I actually passed by. Oh my goodness. Alright, look at these shells. Meat. Okay, lots of meat also right there. Wow, so busy, chaotic here. It's actually a maze of organized chaos here in the streets here. I'm just actually, you know, waiting my way here, going towards my accommodation. Yeah, in a place like this, you really need to have a data connection, you know, network service in your phone, so you can open your Google Maps and find it. Unless you're going to ask the locals where is your accommodation. But you know, for me, as a solo traveler, I prefer to do it in my own way. Check the map, check the Google Maps to direct me to my destination. Wow, it's actually my first hour here in Hanoi. Energy is high. to the roof. Exactly. That's actually how I can describe the energy level here. Okay, I can see Chinese decors, you know, because of the Chinese New Year is actually upcoming. Hello. All right. Let me just check my bearing again. So lots of Chinese decors, Chinese lanterns here for the upcoming Chinese New Year. Look. Wow. Look at that. Tons of them. Like everywhere your eyes can see, you'll see those Chinese lanterns. Amazing. You have to watch out here when you cross the street because, again, Vietnamese drivers are notorious, especially these motorcycle riders. They just pop out from everywhere. I'm getting closer. I don't know if you can hear me, but anyhow, we are here now. So that must be right there, the Hanoi Fantasy Hostel. Where is it? It's just right here, according to my Google Maps. That must be it. Where is it? Let me just check again the map. Okay, few more steps. Wow. Where is it? Found it. That one right there, Fantasy Hotel. I think this is the one. Let's get in.
We stay here for 3 nights, right?
Yeah, 3 nights. Yeah.
Right now the room is not ready.
Okay.
So I think the room will be ready at around 12:30. Because the check-out time is 12, so we need the time to clean the room.
Yeah.
First.
Okay. It's okay.
Yes, okay. You can leave the lucky here and come back at 12:30.
Sure. I'll just stroll around, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, so I arrived here. I found the right place. Well, this is actually where I booked Hanoi Fantasy Hotel, and this is it. So the room will be ready in the next couple of hours. So I'll just roam around here and then come back later to settle myself here. Okay, alright. I just checked in. I got my room now, and again we are here staying at Hanoi Fantasy Hotel. How cool is that? You know the name? Actually, it's here. Look. Hanoi Fantasy Hotel. So fancy name. Okay. Anyhow, alright, I'll show you my room, alright? It's just a very basic room, by the way, which is actually totally fine for me because as long as the air conditioning system works, that one. And here's the bed. Actually, it's single bed. Good thing. I have lots of rooms here to, you know, lay down anywhere, in any part of the bed. And they actually have, they also put the electric fan here, all right? And yeah, so there's the cabinet where I actually put my things there, and then a small table and chair, and then the TV. Oh my god. Okay, and I'll show you the bathroom here. I'll turn on the light. Let's put the light on here. Okay, so yeah, there is it. So there's a shower, and then the sink, the what do you call this, lavatory, all right, or the sink also. This is the sink and the bowl, I mean, and there's me. Okay, so it costs me around 3,000 pesos. Yeah, 3,000 pesos for 3 nights stay here. Yeah, it's actually, for me, it's affordable, it's cheap, and it's kind of spacious. Yeah, and you know, air conditioning system works fine. So there it is. I have already shown you the basics, okay, like your first 1 hour or 2 hours here in Hanoi, like the essentials that you need to know. So where to get the SIM card, where to get the money, where, you know, where you can withdraw some money, some cash, and also how can you get here from the airport. So we have covered that one. And welcome to Hanoi, guys. I'm so excited to explore around the city. Okay, so if you like this video, please let me know by clicking the like button and subscribe down below. And don't forget to hit the notification bell. See you on the next video right here in Hanoi, Vietnam. Xin chào!